Good morning, children. So, today we are discussing about laws of exponents. Okay? Laws of exponents. And we have this concept in our 8th class also. Okay? Now listen. A to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus n. Alright? A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. It has three different formulae. One is m is greater than n. Second one is m is equal to n. Third one is m is less than n. So, if m is greater than n, a to the power of m minus n is the formula. If m is less than n, 1 by a to the power of n minus m. If m is equal to n, both the powers are same. A power m by a power m, both are same. Cancelled by 1, so the value is 1. So a power m by a power n, we have three formulae based on the condition m greater than n, m is equal to n, and m is less than n. A to the power of m whole to the power of n, a to the power of m into n. Whereas a power m to the power of n. How to pronounce these two? Come again. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m into n. This is a to the power of m to the power of n. Then a to the power of m into m into m into so on into m. You should write n times. Okay? These four are the basic formula you already learned in 8th standard. Now, some more formula. A to the power of 0 is equal to 1 for all a should not be equal to 0. Okay? The next one. If a power minus 1, if it is negative, then it is 1 by a power 1. Some extent if you go, a to the power of minus n, 1 by a to the power of n. Suppose if it is a fraction, a by b whole to the power of minus n, then it is b by a whole to the power of n. So these three are negative exponent formulae. A power minus 1, a power minus n, and a by b whole to the power of minus n. Next, your ninth formula. Okay, ninth formula. If a power m is equal to b power m, then we can write a is equal to b. Okay, here exponents are equal, bases are equal. If bases are equal, a power m is equal to a to the power of n. Bases are equal, then their exponents are also equal. These 10 are basic formulae in laws of exponents. Okay. Now, your next formula, that is 11th formula. Nth root a into nth root of b. Nth root a into nth root b. Both the radical signs are same. Then you can write nth root of a into b. Suppose if it is division, nth root of a into nth root of b into nth root of c is equal to, you can write nth root of a into b into c. If z, you can extend, number of numbers is increased under the same radical sign, you can extend. Suppose your next formula, nth root of a is divided by nth root of b, then it is nth root of a by b. Okay, next question. If nth root of a, nth root of a, for this the basic formula we already learned, that is nth root of a is a to the power of 1 by n. When comparison, which is greater, ascending order, that time I explained this formula. Nth root of a is equal to a to the power of 1 by n. Now nth root of a to the power of 1 by n, nth root of whole to the power of 1 by m. The same case with nth root of, pth root of a. Then it is a to the power of 1 by m into 1 by n into 1 by p. Okay? You can write simply a to the power of 1 by m, 1 by n into 1 by p. Okay? So these are the formulae are there in laws of radicals. Before one is laws of exponents and these are laws of radicals. Especially this is nth root of, this is called radical sign. That's why these are called laws of radicals. Now we will solve some applications based on this formula. Here is an example. Find x. Okay. Now look at the RHS 125, 5 cube, 216, 6 cube. It is already there 5 by 6 whole to the power of 2x. But here 6 by 5 is there. Then if a by b whole power n, you can write b by a whole to the power of minus n. By using the same formula, I am changing 5 by 6, 6 by 5, a by b, changing to b by a. That is 5 by 6. Then the exponents will become negative. Now look at both the denominators. Yes, a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Bases are equal, power should be added. 5 by 6 whole to the power of minus 6 plus 2x. I can write 5 by 6 whole cube because this is in the formula a power m by b power m can be written as a by b whole power m. Now look at both the bases 5 by 6, 5 by 6. One general formula, that is if a power m is equal to a power n, base equal, powers are different, then powers should be equal, m is equal to n. Then minus x plus 2x should be equal to 3. Minus x plus 2x is x, that equal to 3. So for solving this sum, total how many laws of exponents I used? That is total 4 laws I used to solve this sum. Each step is related with one formula. So the very important here in this concept, the formula. Each and every step is related with the formula. Okay, so pay attention and learn all the formulae without fail. Okay, here is one more example. 9 into 64 whole to the power of 1 by 3 plus 125 whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube whole to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, now how to solve? The first one you should solve in the middle one. In the middle, what is there in the brackets, you should solve. That is 9, 64 can be written as 4 cube, very good. The same way that 125 can be written as 5 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. After that, whole to the power of 3 is there. Complete whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now, this is in the form of a power m whole to the power of n, a to the power of m into n. If you apply this formula, 4 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 cancel, 4 power 1 will be left. Right? 4 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cancel, 1 is left. So the same I am using here, 9, 3 3 cancel, 4, 3 3 cancel, 5, whole cube, whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now 9 into 4 plus 5, 9 cube, whole to the power of 1 by 4, whole to the power of 1 by 4. Now here 9 to the power of 1, here 9 to the power of 3. Bases are equal, power should be added. Bases a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. If you apply that, 1 plus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 4. That is 9 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4. 4 4 get cancelled, so 9 is the answer. Okay. Now here one more example. X to the power of a by b whole to the power of a square plus ab plus b square. After a by b, look at there, b by c. B square plus bc plus c square. Third one, c by a. C square plus ac plus a square. It is following a cyclic order. AB, BC, CA. It's following a cyclic order. Now this is in the form of a power m by a power n. Formula a to the power of m minus n. If I apply x power a minus b whole to the power of a square plus ab plus b square. Next, x to the power of b minus c, b square plus bc plus c square. X to the power of c minus a, c square plus ac plus a square. Now, this is the first formula I used. Now, my second formula. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. A to the power of m into n. If I apply here, x to the power of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. X to the power of b minus c, b square plus bc plus c square. X to the power of c minus a, c square plus ac plus a square. Now look at these two, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. It's a formula, write a cube minus b cube into b cube minus c cube into c cube minus a cube. Now bases are equal, powers should be added. A to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of p can be written as a to the power of m plus n plus p. Okay, now this is the third formula I am using here, that is x to the power of a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube minus a cube. Now plus minus plus minus plus minus, everything cancelled, that x power 0 we got it. Now the formula is a power 0 value is 1 where a not equal to 0. Therefore x power 0 value is 1. So the complete question is solved and you got the value is 1. Okay.